Good morning friends. In this video I am going to discuss about some new important sections of BNSS, that means Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksh Sanhita. Already 3 new laws have been implemented from 1st July 2024, and in the new criminal law, that is BNSS, there are 15 new sections have been added and new term also defined in that 15 sections. So let's know what are the 15 new sections of BNSS. That means a term audio video electronic. Audio video electronic is a new term, has been added in the BNSS. Prior BNSS in the CRPC, that term has not been defined, but in the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksh Sanhita, new term, that is audio video electronic, has been defined in section 2 clause 1 subclause A. Very important. Thereafter, the word bail has not been defined in the CRPC, but in BNSS the term bail has been defined in section 2 clause 1 subclause B. Very important. Thereafter, bail bond also a new term is defined in the BNSS in section 2 clause 1 subclause D. Very important. Thereafter, bond also defined in the BNSS in section 2 clause 1 subclause E. Next, electronic communication also defined in section 2 clause 1 subclause I. Electronic communication, police officer also can communicate with a accused or witnesses for a case purposes in electronically. That means through electronic communication, police officer can communicate with a accused or witnesses for investigation, inquiry and trial purposes. That electronic communication is defined in the BNSS in section 2 clause 1 subclause I. Very important. Thereafter, when police may arrest without warrant. When police may arrest without warrant, this is a new provision explained in the in new section of BNSS, that means section 35 subclause 7. Thereafter, section 86 explained about identification and attachment of property of proclaimed person. Proclaimed person is a person who fled away from the country or from his local area and evading the trial or inquiry. Such person is known as proclaimed person. If any person has been fled from another place and could not communicate with the police officers or investigation officers, then such person will be identified, and after due inquiry or proper investigation, honorable court will declare and identify and ordered for attachment of his property as a proclaimed person. This term defines in section 86 of BNSS. Very important. Thereafter, section 105, recording of search and seizure through audio video electronic means. Section 105, in that section it is clearly stated that recording of search and seizure will possible through audio video electronic means. This is the new provision also included in the BNSS. Thereafter, section 107, attachment, forfeiture and restoration of property. Thereafter, section 172 of BNSS, persons bound to conform to lawful directions of police. Persons bound to conform to lawful directions of police. পুলিশে লফুল ডিরেকশন যদি দিলে সেইটো মানিবলৈ বাধ্য। সেকশন 172. সেকশন 336, evidence of public servants, expert police officers in certain cases. It is very important for trial in criminal cases. Evidence of public servants, expert police officers in certain cases. Section 336. Section 356, new section of BNSS, inquiry, trial or judgment in absentia of proclaimed offender. If any person fled away from India or from Assam or any local jurisdiction where a case has been initiated or is going on, then in absence of such accused person, Honorable Court can or administration or police officer can inquiry, Honorable Court can trial or pronounce judgment in absence of proclaimed offender. This provision has been included in the BNSS, that means Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksh Sanhita, through section 356. Very important. Thereafter, section 398 tells about witness protection scheme. Such witness protection scheme has not been defined in the old law CRPC, but in the recent times, witness protection scheme is very important. That's why in the BNSS, through section 398, such type of witness protection scheme has been included in the new law, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksh Sanhita. Very important. Thereafter, section 472, mercy petition in death sentence cases. Do you know mercy petition? Whenever Honorable Court pronounce a judgment to an accused person that he will be executed or pronounce death penalty, then after judgment of the death penalty, accused person has right to approach Honorable High Court and Supreme Court of India. If Honorable High Court and Supreme Court of India also retains the death penalty, then last opportunity has been given to the accused person to approach concerned state governor or president of India. Honorable Governor and President of India has power to give the mercy or forgiveness. Last opportunity has been given to the accused person to approach Honorable President and Governor of concerned state. That provision has been included in the new law BNSS through section 472, stating that mercy petition in death sentence cases. Thereafter, lastly, section 530, that means 530, trial and proceedings to be held in electronic mode. This is very important and very highlighting or important initiative has taken in the new law, that trial and proceedings to be held in electronic mode. If any accused person is desired to participate in the court proceeding or trial proceeding from a distance place through audio, video, electronic communication, that means video conferencing, then such accused person has right to participate in the trial or court proceeding through video conferencing. This system has been included in the BNSS through new section 530. These are the new 15 sections included in the new law BNSS. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.